सोमा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय.
Hello everyone, this is Mahinder. In this video we are going to solve exercise 10.3 problem number 2. Look at the question. A toy is made in the form of hemisphere surmounted by a right cone whose circular base is joined with the plane surface of the hemisphere. So the circular base of the cone is joined with the plane surface of hemisphere, isn't it? Right. Next, the radius of the base of the cone is 7 centimeters and its volume is 3/2 of the hemisphere. Calculate the height of the cone and the surface area of the toy correct to 2 places of decimal. So given a cone and a hemisphere, the bottom of the circular bottom of the cone is joined with the hemisphere's flat surface. Okay, right. So look at here how the figure will be. This is the figure. Okay, right. So this is a cone, this is a hemisphere, this is height of the cone. Okay, so what is the radius given? The base of the cone is 7 centimeter. Sorry, the radius of the base of the cone is 7 centimeter. So this is the 7 centimeters radius, and what is given? Right. So we have to calculate the total surface area of this toy as well as height of the cone. And what is the given hint? Its volume, cone volume is 3/2 of the hemisphere volume. Okay, right. So I'm writing solution here. Take the solution. Given radius of the cone is equals to 7 centimeters. Okay, right. So volume of cone is equals to, what is that? 3/2 volume of hemisphere. What is the volume of hemisphere formula? 2/3 pi r cube. What is the formula for volume of cone? 1/3 pi r square h. So write down here 1/3 pi r square h is equals to 3/2 into volume of the hemisphere, nothing but 2/3 pi r cube. Here the radius of the hemisphere and cone both are same because the surface of the, what is that, the circular surface of the cone and the flat surface of the hemisphere both are coincidence. Okay, that is why they are having the same radius. Okay, right. So this is R, right, both sides. So here it is 3 gets cancelled, 2 gets cancelled, pi gets cancelled, and r square 1 r remaining here. So it becomes 1/3 h is equals to 1 r remaining here, isn't it? So h is equals to 3r, h is equals to 3 into r value we have 7 centimeters. So h is equals to 21 centimeters. So h is nothing but, here we got the cone height. So this is 21 centimeters we got. Okay, so height of the cone is 21 centimeters. Okay, right. Now we have to find the, what we have to find? Surface area of the total toy. Okay, right. I'm going to erase here. So first of all, this toy is a combination of the cone and a hemisphere. So if I want to find total surface area of this toy, what we have to find? So we have to find the surface area of the curved surface area of the cone as well as curved surface area of the hemisphere, isn't it? Right. So first of all, find the curved surface area of the cone. Okay, what is the formula? Pi r L. So already we got h equals to 21 centimeters here, r value 7 centimeters. Okay, right. So pi value we can take 22 by 7 or 3 1 by 7. I am taking 22 by 7 only, but in the question given take pi is equals to 3 1 by 7. Okay, just to make us confusion, we will give the like that values. So take 22 by 7 into r value, what we have, 7 centimeters, into L value, we have to find L value here. Okay, so what is the L value? How can we find that L value? So take down here, L is equals to under root of r square plus h square. This is the formula for L. L is nothing but slant height. So slant height is equals to L is equals under root of r square, nothing but 7 centimeter square plus h square, 21 centimeter square. So L is equals to, this is 7 square, nothing but 49 centimeter square plus 221, nothing but 21 square, nothing but 441 centimeter. Okay, so if you sum this, what becomes 49 441 0 1 here 9 490 it is. So L is equals to 490 we got. So now we have to simplify 4 under root of 490. So how it is possible? So 490, take the factorization for 490. 2 2s are 2 8s are, sorry, 2 4s are 8, 1 carry, 2 5s are 10. So next take 5 table, 5 4s are 20, 4 remaining, 5 9s are 45, 7 7s are 49. So take here L is equals to 7 square into 5 into 2. Okay, so here I am writing the root separately. This we can write 7 square the root into root 5 into 2. So what it becomes? So this becomes L is equals to, square root gets cancelled, 7 into, this we can write root 10. So 1 into root 10 it becomes. So root 10 value, what we have, 3.1622 is the root 10 value. So multiply L is equals to 7 into 3.1622. Okay, so what is that multiplication becomes? 3.1622 into 7. 7 2s are 14, 4 here, 1 carry, 7 2s are 14, 15, 1 carry, 7 6 42, 43, 3 here, 4 carry, 7 1 7, plus 4 11, 1 here, 1 carry, 7 3 is 21, 22. So 22.1354. So what is the value? L is equals to 22.1354. Okay, after the 4 decimals we have this decimal point. Okay, we are taking as it is. Okay, L is equals to 22.1354 is the slant height. So replace that L value here. Okay, so 22 by 7 into 7 centimeter into what we got L value? 22.1354. Okay, so this 7 gets cancelled, and here it is write down centimeter, here it is also centimeter. So now multiply 22.1354 into 22. 22.1354, forget about points for a while, into 22. 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 0, 1 carry, 2 3 are 6, 7, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4. She'll check once again, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 0 here, 1 carry, 2 3 are 6, 7, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4. Again we get same, 4 4, 2 7, 4 4. So write down from here, 80744 37 442708. So 8879684. Okay, 4869788. 442708. 442708. Okay, right. So what we got? 4869788. So 1, 2, 3, 4. After 4 decimal points, 4 decimal places, we take the point here. So 486.9788 centimeter square is the curved surface area of the cone. Okay, CSA of the cone, we got this. Okay, take this value here. I'm writing here 486.9788. Okay, right. Now we have to find curved surface area of the hemisphere. Okay, right. So what is that formula? CSA of the hemisphere is equals to, what is that formula? 2 pi r square is the formula, isn't it? So 2 into 22 by 7 into, what is the r value? 7 centimeter whole square. So 2 into 22 by 7 into 7 centimeter into 7 centimeter, 7 gets cancelled. It is 44 into 7 centimeter square, centimeter square. So 44 into 7, 7 fours, 28, 30, 308. So 308 centimeter square is the curved surface area of the hemisphere, isn't it? Curved surface area of the hemisphere. So now what is the required? What we require actually? So look at here. We require surface area of the total surface area of the tie is equals to CSA of the cone plus CSA of the hemisphere. Okay, what we got for CSA of the cone? 486.9788 plus CSA of the hemisphere, what we got? 308 centimeter square. Here also centimeter square. So 486.9788 and 308.0000. So 9788 as it is plus 14, 1 here, 9, 7, 794.9788 centimeter square is the total surface area of the toy. I think you got the problem, right? So pause the video, write the notes. This is the final answer.